Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Gemini red Saree photo. Begin by opening your AI image generation tool. Input a detailed prompt, such as a beautiful woman wearing a vibrant red silk saree, standing gracefully. Be specific about the color and material. You can also add details about the background, like against a traditional Indian backdrop or in a modern studio setting. The more descriptive your initial prompt, the better the starting image will be. Once you have an initial image, you'll want to refine your prompt. If the face isn't quite right, add descriptions like smiling gently or with expressive eyes. To change the mood, try soft, warm lighting versus dramatic, high-contrast lighting. You can also specify the saree's drape, perhaps Navy-style drape or Bengali-style drape, to achieve a particular look. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Now let's enhance the photo with details and accessories. Add prompts for jewelry, like wearing gold jumkas and a matching necklace. Describe the hairstyle, such as hair tied in a neat bun adorned with jasmine flowers or long, wavy hair flowing over her shoulder. Don't forget props. A traditional clay pot or a bouquet of roses can add depth. These elements bring the image to life and make it more authentic. For the final touches, try different camera angles. A close-up portrait will highlight facial details, while a full-body shot shows the entire saree. Generate several variations of your best prompts to have options. You might also explore artistic styles, like cinematic lighting or watercolor effect, if you want a unique look. With these steps, you can create a stunning Gemini red saree photo that perfectly matches your vision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.